Dishes piling up? This mini dishwasher is your tiny but mighty cleaning hero. You just finished a great meal, but now? A mountain of dirty dishes stares back at you, mocking your exhaustion. Do you face the dreaded sink battle, wasting precious time scrubbing away grease? Or do you let them sit, only to deal with crusty, hardened stains later? Hand washing is a never-ending cycle of misery, and in a small space, be it an apartment, dorm, RV, or office, it's even worse. You deserve better. You need a smarter, faster, and hands-free solution. Enter the ChuMaste Mini Countertop Dishwasher, your personal dishwashing warrior, designed to eliminate this daily struggle. Most dishwashers are bulky, expensive, and impossible to fit into small spaces. But the ChuMaste Mini Dishwasher is a game-changer, compact, portable, and powerful. Measuring just 16.54 inches by 16.54 inches by 18.03 inches, it fits seamlessly in tight spots without sacrificing cleaning performance. With a 16-piece capacity, it holds plates, bowls, cups, and even baby bottles, handling an entire day's worth of dishes in one go. Whether you're in a cramped apartment, a traveling RV, or a tiny kitchen, this powerhouse brings big cleaning energy in a small footprint. Ever spent 30 minutes scrubbing greasy lasagna pans or delicate wine glasses, hoping not to break them? Those days are over. With 5 powerful wash modes, you can tackle every type of mess with ease. Got stubborn, baked on stains? Use strong mode. Need a quick clean? The ultra-fast 29-minute wash has your back. Delicate mode ensures fragile glassware stays intact, while the fruit and veggie wash purifies your produce. It's not just a dishwasher, it's your kitchen's new MVP. Most dishwashers leave your plates soaking wet, forcing you to dry them manually, not this one. With its built-in hot air drying system, your dishes come out dry, sanitized, and odor-free, ready to be stored right away. No soggy plates, no weird smells, no extra effort. The leak-proof design, ultra-quiet operation, 48.99 decibels, and energy-efficient performance make it the smartest, most reliable dishwashing sidekick you could ever ask for. This isn't just about clean dishes, it's about freeing yourself from dishwashing drudgery. The ChuMaste Mini Countertop Dishwasher uses less water than hand washing, saves you hours every week, and eliminates the hassle of manual scrubbing. Plus, with dual water supply options, tank or direct hookup, installation is effortless, no plumbing required. Stop wasting time, start enjoying life, and let this tiny titan do the dirty work for you. Ready to ditch the dishpan hands forever? Click Add to Cart and upgrade your kitchen game today.